It's an overcast day here in Boston, but it's not going to stop me from grilling these Thai wings on the roof. I think the sun might be coming out. Alright, step one on making these wings is we have to marinate them. You can do about half hour to an hour or overnight if that's better for you. Have some chili oil here, a lot of sugar, a little bit of salt, fish sauce, which is key to any Thai recipe, and rice vinegar. And lastly, we're gonna microplane in some ginger and garlic. One of the toppings of larb is toasted rice. When I first had it, I wasn't sure even what it was. It's like these crunchy little bits. Waitress told me it was raw rice. I didn't even understand the concept of it. To get that raw rice, we're gonna just take this regular rice, whatever you have around is gonna work fine, and let it toast for about a half hour while we're cooking the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna put it on right now, actually. And then the last component of this is gonna be the sauce. If you've never used lemongrass before, you've been intimidated maybe, definitely try it. It's not that hard to use. For this dish, we're just going to use the tender middles. We're going to add a shallot to that as well. We already put fish sauce in the marinade. There's going to be plenty in the sauce here as well. The wind just like put the honey straight on my shirt. The honey in here is gonna make these sticky, which, I mean, I think any person who's eating wings wants a little sort of sticky element to them. And then again, for me, if you're eating wings, you want it to be a little spicy at least. So I'm gonna use this Thai chili paste. And if I only had a spoon, that would work. There we go. You gotta improvise when you're on the roof. Make sure you preheat the grill a lot so that the grates are super hot when you put the wings on. That is going to prevent them from sticking. But the wings need more of a slow and low cook. So get the grill super hot, put the wings on, and then bring it way down. Alright, I'm gonna jump in and give these things a try. These are the flavors I love, honestly, and in a wing form, you can't beat it. The crunch of the crispy rice replaces that super crispy skin texture that you would get in a fryer and enhances sort of the grilled version of wings because you have little bits of crispy skin, but you also have the crispy rice. It's just spicy enough, but when you get one of those chili peppers, like an extra kick. And the mint, like all the flavors are so good and it tastes just like the sort of refreshing larb flavors, but in this great chicken wing form.